Well, I just finished a 4-day work week, and we've got Easter break, so I decided to go on a little motorcycle ride for the weekend, and I was itching to get away, so I left last night after work and ended up riding through the night for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. I kept going and going. It was so nice. Out in the desert, there's no traffic, there's beautiful roads. I saw some wildlife. It was beautiful. So I kept going and going. Went to a couple campsites and they were already closed for the night. So I decided to come to this beautiful little motel and for $30 a night. Just packing my stuff up right now, which hopefully I'll be using tent, sleeping bag, all that stuff. Hopefully I'll be using it tonight and tomorrow to camp. It's actually really cold, but yeah, here's my smoke-filled room. But plan on going up to Deep Creek Hot Springs to do a little bit of hot spring soaking, just for the hell of it. I don't know, it's Easter break and I've got nothing else to do, so yeah, this should be a start of a fun little weekend motorcycle trip.